So let's now move on quickly. I'm going to leave you, can be Mrs. Social Secretary.
Yes.
We're going to move on to item number 1 here today. Let's have a quick look. Do you want to take that out of the box for me?
Yes.
Okay, now what we have here, just put that in your hand for me.
Yes.
What we have here is the E68 mini drone camera, okay? So we have this.
It's really, really light because
Really light.
I'm usually not a technical person, but I think usually technical items seems to be really heavy, but this item is really, really light, and I usually have really small hands, so it's really small and light, right?
It's super light. In fact, it's
Yes.
only 95 grams, which means you can put this in your pocket almost and carry it with you. When you're carrying this thing, you will barely even know that it's there. Honestly, it's so
like so big,
compact and so
like in
well
small
efficient.
mobile, right? Yeah. And
Small,
even
way smaller than a mobile
way
phone.
smaller,
Absolutely.
yes.
So
It's
obviously
really
what we
light.
have here is a drone camera, okay? So super high tech, super
Super,
light,
yes.
super small. So we're taking great technology and just compacting it. It's like a diamond, you know, it's just all the best bits
Hi from
tightly formed
Moldova.
together.
Hi.
Hello
I
to
just
you.
wanna, yes. Just leave a comment, really. We like to talk to you. Say hi, leave a comment, and where are you from? And if you have any questions about material, or if you like to see the item a little bit closer.
Absolutely. So keeping back on the drone then, what we have
Yes.
here is a fantastic, basically it's a pocket rocket. Honestly, it's absolutely amazing.
Looks really spacey.
So, coming back to the main focus, obviously
Yes.
what we have here is a tiny...
Hi Diana. Hi.
Is a tiny...
Sorry.
Let's do hellos
love-
like every 5 minutes,
Yes,
yeah?
but I love to talk with people
That's
here.
So we have a tiny pocket rocket right here. So what we're talking about is, you know, people take selfies from here, they take
Yes.
selfies from here, they take selfies from there. What we want to do is take your photography into the sky, literally send it up into orbit almost. And this is how we can do it. So at the front here, obviously we have our main body, which is in a high quality plastic casing. As we can see, a nice matte black finish all the way around, super high tech. Looks very, very cool and very futuristic as well. But then encased in this, obviously the most important thing is also the fact that it has the camera at the front. Now this camera at the front is very important because even though it's so small, and when we tell you the price, you will be so excited. This actually has 3 camera options inside the front lens. So the main one is the 1080p full high definition lens. The second one is the 720p, mainly for video lens. And then of course, but it actually also has a full wide angle lens inside here as well. So really, it's just got everything. And it's so light, honestly, it's amazing. You'll pick it up and be amazed.
And I just want to answer a question. So we can deliver to South Africa too. So there was this question coming up. So
Yep.
we can deliver to South Africa
free.
too. For free.
For
Yes.
free. So free delivery to the North America and
Yes.
of course to South Africa as well. Free
Yes.
delivery on everything you see here today
Yes.
in our live stream.
Yes.
Wow, man,
Wow.
honestly, we're
It's
sending
free
everywhere.
shipping. It's amazing. So many discounts, free shipping. It's amazing. And
Absolutely. So how does it work? It's obviously a remote controlled drone. Here we have 2.4 gigahertz technology, which means it takes very little interference. It's interference resistant from all of the environment around you. So
It's
TV
really
towers,
light
radio
too.
towers, mobile
Yes.
towers, etc.
It's really light too.
Very
really
light.
and like, yeah, it's not so big too, like my hand here.
No, it's perfect.
really easy.
It's game console
Like
size,
especially
which is
for
exactly what we
women
need.
which don't understand technique that much, right? So
So how does it work? Show me how we do this.
so you have here the buttons,
Yep.
like, and you can just control here if it's going up or down, so it's easy to use, right?
Very
And-
easy to use. Very important.
And then you have here in the middle the power button.
Yeah. So the main focus here is obviously that this is completely Bluetooth, which means it's not just one of those,
Just place your-
which means it's fantastic. So after
your
we
hand.
pull out of the bottom of the controller here, we pull out our phone case, we put our phone in here and link with Bluetooth, okay, which means we can see what this is
Hi
seeing
guys, hi
in
guys.
real time on
Hi
the
Melha.
screen.
Hi.
Great for selfies, great for video, great for everything that you need, okay? So it's a full Bluetooth compatible, very high-tech device, but it comes in a tiny packet, is extremely light, and is, in a minute, we're gonna tell you just how cheap it is. Now, it can fly up to 80 or 100 meters. If you charge it for 60 minutes, you'll get roughly 15 minutes of flight time, which is plenty to do a circle around your party, your gathering, your rooftop, your forest, etc. everything you need. If I turn it on with the on button here on the side, on the back, sorry, then you can actually see it also has some LED lights on the front.
This is really nice because you always can find the item then really fast, right?
Exactly. So, you know, we can hear it when it's close, but we want to see it in the sky to make sure we know where our item is.
Yes.
And as long as it has the battery, then it's obviously going to be easy to find our drone helicopter. So take your pictures into the sky, give yourself that extra angle, make your YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram pictures and videos just have an extra edge, an extra coolness. Get those extra likes.
High technology, really. It's high technology.
It is, exactly.
Yes.
And as I say, it's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So as long as your phone has connectivity, download the app and you can instantly use it wherever you want to, as long as it's safe to fly as well. This one I like one thing because it also has what we call a...
Whoa!
It also has on here, if we can see, it has a home button. Now, what this is the one button home call device. Now, that means that wherever it's flying, all you need to do is click the home button and it will return safely
it's amazing.
to you. I love that because you don't have to pay attention then. It's just going to track you. Obviously, it has the recorder inside the controller and it knows where your phone is. Just come back, meet you home safely. You're never going to lose it with that button. It's really, really good.
Nice.
But like I say, 3 cameras.
3 cameras.
1080p,
yes,
720p, and full wide angle. It's got everything. Now, should we get onto the crazy bit, the price?
So the original price for this item would be $34.74, but the live price is just $31.27 for this amazing high technology.
So that's $3.50
product.
discount.
Yes, and then just remember for the newers, if you are buying any item over $3, you will save on top $2. So you would pay for this item just $29.27. This is amazing. Amazing for this high technology item. Really, you have 3 cameras, you have so much things here. It's just amazing.
It really is good. So full gyro axis, fully compactable, super light, 95 grams, 15 minutes of playtime from an hour's charge. Just think about the fun you can have with this. Out you're playing basketball, out you're doing kind of outdoor sports.
Or you're running.
Exactly. You can do whatever you want. You can track, trace, film, record,
and
post,
I really like
everything.
this home button.
Absolutely. The home button's great.
The home button
and
is
of
really
course,
great.
because you're connecting with Bluetooth, the pictures, videos will automatically download to your mobile device. So your mobile phone has all of them. So when you're editing your TikTok, editing your Facebook, it automatically gives you all of that content. No need for an SD card or anything like that. No problems.
So, and the final price for this item, I just want to repeat it, is just $29.27. It's an amazing price for this high-tech item.
It really is. So, dear friends, tell us what you think. That was number 1 on today's 24 item products list.